Good morning, YouTube. Today in the shop we have a 2018 Tesla Model 3, and it looks like we are repairing the right quarter panel. Let's go take a look. Got the vehicle pulled into the shop, gave it a nice rinse so we can see the damage. It looks like she got sliced and diced on this lower rocker. Pretty good hit. Gonna be a decent amount of metal work happening. Gonna get this car torn apart and start that repair process. After taking everything off the vehicle, I noticed that this inner wheelhouse is pushed in. There's a nice crease right here. That's from it going that way. So what I'm gonna do is use this porta power, put this guy up in here, something like that. And then that's going to push this edge out that way. And then once I get that edge out, I can start working on the face of the panel and then pull that out as well. Let's see what happens. Now we're going to take some of these keys and weld them along the bottom edge, this whole area, right where it's crinkled. So you look down there, it's pushed in a good amount. So this lower edge needs to be pulled out this way. See it right there. But it's not supposed to be straight. It's actually supposed to have a nice little curve out to it, to the wheelhouse area. If you look at the other side, I grabbed a straight edge ruler just to compare. Put it up from there to there. There's a huge gap, so it just shows that there's supposed to be a nice curve to it. So knowing that kind of guides me on how much to pull out. So really, I'd say only about this portion, maybe a little bit over here too. It's about from like here to here has to come out. So I'll weld a bunch of keys right here and then get the flatliner tool, put a rod through all the keys, start pulling it out. And as I pull it out, I'm gonna tap all the metal around it and massage it out. It just helps vibrate the metal back into place. Got all the metal work done on it, and then I spread a coat of body filler on it, sanding that down with 80 grit. And now the coat you see is glaze coat. And then I'm going to sand that with 180 grit. And then it'll be ready for paint. Here's the products that I use. Here's the main filler, Platinum from 3M. Really good product. And then here's the finishing glaze coat, Platinum finish from 3M as well. Love 3M products, kind of a 3M snob. They do the job well, so that's why I stick with them. Got the vehicle back from paint, and before reassembling it, I'm going to spray some cavity wax on the inside of the panel. That'll help with rust in the future. It'll prevent it.